Engage the spring. 1, 2. Careful po, tayo po sa kama with your ring. Tayo po sa kama with your ring. Dahan-dahan sa kamus mo. Dahan-dahan lang po. Facing the mirror, then give your ring. The one mirror. I want your feet as wide as your hips. Kasi nga, I want your feet as wide as your hips kasi lawak mo ng balakang yung paa. Make sure yung mga paa, diretso lang po. Forward ng konti, konting-konti lang para may space lang po ng konti yung legs sa likod. Hands up with your ring. Hold both sides.
Hands up.
There. Now, tingin lang sa harap. Pag yumuko po, sasama po yung katawan. You have to look straight only. Now, check your neck. I want your neck long. Now, your shoulders. Dapat ang shoulders away from your ears. Relax lang po yan. I want you to scoop your belly in. Pasok ng tiyan. Pasok din ng puwet. Okay? You're gonna go to your squat. Every time you go down, lower down your ring as well forward. Inhale muna. Exhale down to your squat, then lower down your ring. There. Inhale to stay muna. Walang mag-press, lower lang. Exhale to stand up. Walang mag-close ng knees then. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Open ng konti. Stay. And return. Open ng konti. Yan. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay muna. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And return. Last one, inhale. Go for 5. Hold your position. Pulses tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walang aakyat. Hold it there. Lift your butt an inch. Konti lang. Hold it. Another inch. Hold it. Last one, another inch. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly stand up. Hands up. Relax and recover. Okay? Another set po. Nagkakagawa nyo lang. But this time, lift your heels up on your bumps. Barbie feet position. Be careful. 1 blue lang po yan. Okay? Heels up, Barbie feet. Sandal kay bumps. There. The higher your heels are, mas challenging. Kung saan lang kaya, that's okay. Huwag naman masyado. Okay? Heels up.
May hahay.
Isa lang.
Stilettos.
Go. Hands up, hands up, hands up, knees straight. Same movement lang po. Ang difference lang, naka-heels up na. Inhale. Exhale, down to your squat, then lower down your ring. Careful with your movement. Tingin sa harap. Lower down your ring. Inhale. Exhale to stand up. Inhale. Exhale. your right foot on the platform. Right foot lang, yung naka platform. Diretso lang yan. Left heel up against your box. Kagaya lang ng kanina, keep your left heel up. There. Then, hands forward. Left heel up. Okay? Hands forward. You're gonna push the carriage away, bending your right knee sa left leg, straight lang po siya. Kagaya lang po ng kayo magsilip. And up. Okay? Inhale muna. Exhale, push the carriage away, bend your right knee, baba lang ng kamay. There. Inhale. Exhale, return. Inhale muna. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Challenge na din po yung balance. Exhale, go for 3. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay. And return. Last one. Inhale. Go for 5. Then hold your position there. Inhale. Exhale to lift your arms up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale to lower. Go for 3. And lower. Go for 4. And lower. Last one, 5. Hold it there. Hold down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamay muna ang baba. Inhale. Exhale to bring back the carriage. Relax and recover first. Okay? Another set. Another set. This time, as you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up, and then knee changes po ulit siya after 5. So, listen carefully. Okay? Para hindi siya OC. Ready? Another 5. You're doing really good. Maintain lang po. Malalakas naman po ang mga legs ninyo. Iwala tayo sa spinning yung mountain.
Yes. Mag-spinning ako.
Spinning.
Mag-spinning mas better.
Magsa-spinning pa yan siya mamaya.
Yes.
Limang session daw siya man. Same leg.
Yes, same legs. This time, as you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up. See? Kung vertical wala pa siya.
Nalay pa po.
Magugulat ka na. Kasama pa ba ni Bert? Hands forward, hands forward. Inhale muna. Forward. Exhale, push the carriage away and lift your arms up. Inhale to stay. Exhale to return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay muna. And return. Diretso ng right leg. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay first. And return. Last one, listen carefully. Go for 5. Hold your position. Balik ng carriage with your left leg. Bend your left knee. Bend your left knee. Bend. Yan. Exhale to push. Inhale, bend. Exhale to push. Go for 3. And push. Go for 4. And push. Last one, 5. And push, holding for 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring back the carriage, lower down your arms. Relax and recover. Shake your legs. Shake, shake, shake. Iba nga yung shake niya. Giling yung katakpan.
Shake dance.
Other side din yan po tayo.
Ayaw naman yung bayad doon yung talbo. Salamat. Push pa rin ito. 2 o'clock yan. Ba't hindi pa rin bayad na? Madami ang dating pa bayad.
4. Glutes, squats.
Okay, ako ano malit.
Ganyan daw po talaga siya. Parang branding niya lang po yan.
Wala siya naman yung pinabalik.
Parang yung mga ibang relatives niya na nagka-class din dito, ay, ganyan po talaga siya. Late talaga siya. Pero kasi, sobrang nakaka-20 minutes. Parang naman, parang
Eh, pwede ingalawang bansa.
minsan yung last 10 minutes natin or 15 minutes, cool down na. Sayang naman kasi.
Sabi niya ka ng alam ni friend.
Hindi ko
Hindi
na
ka sa lahat ng chat.
Ikatampin, maagay dapat. Ay, hindi pa pwede yun.
Di ba ating sayang kami ito? Mas lahat ang tama.
Oo, di ko ma.
Ate Irene, di ba? Pwede sila.
Saan nangyayari din siya?
O, yung super pura box, siyempre, ating tama, di ba? Punta ba yun? Wala yun. Sa naging outfit.
Ready? Right foot, heel up. Right foot, heel up. There. Hands forward. Tighten your core then para mas ma-use mo yung legs ninyo. Inhale muna. Diretso muna ng left knee. Inhale. Exhale, push the curve away and bend your left knee. Keep your right leg straight. I want your hands in line with your shoulders. Mag-frame baba ng konti. Yan. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay. And return. Last one. Inhale. Go for 5. Tighten your core. Hold it there. Inhale. Exhale to lift your arms up. Inhale to lower. Exhale, go for 2. Inhale to lower. Go for 3 and lower. Go for 4 and lower. Go for 5. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kamay muna ang baba. Inhale. Exhale to bring back the courage. Relax and recover. Last one for your legs. Last na lang po tayo for your legs. Ready? As you push the carriage away, you lift your arms up as well. Right heel up. Hands forward. In line with your shoulders. Inhale muna. Exhale, push the carriage away and lift your arms up. Inhale to stay. Exhale to return. Inhale, balik ng kamay. Exhale, go for 2. Stay first. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 3. Stay. And return. Inhale. Exhale, go for 4. Stay. And return. Last one. Go for 5. Hold your position there. Balik ng right knee. Bend your right knee. Balik ng carriage. Exhale to push. Inhale, return. Exhale to push. Go for 3 and push. Go for 4 and push. Last one, 5 and push. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik ng carriage. Lift, lower down your arms. Relax and recover. We're done with your legs. Step down your corner. Change the spring to 1 yellow. Then